Good morning, BNI. Hoot hoot. Do you want better credit? Do you know how to have great credit? Do you want to learn how? I am Robert Linkonis, Executive Director of Credit Restoration Institute. We are not only experts in credit repair, but also creates plans to help our clients stay out of the debt cycle. Credit worthiness plays an impact of not only financial well-being, but also mental well-being. For many, having access to basic human needs relies heavily on credit score. Here at Credit Restoration Institute, we are poised and committed to putting our clients in the best position possible to obtain loan financing. We want to help break that cycle by providing tools and guidance that will change your life. I am Robert Linkonis with the Credit Restoration Institute, and we are here to restore hope. Hoot hoot.